Hi everyone, Ndewon. If you're new to this channel, my name is Edna. In today's video, we'll learn family members in Igbo language. What we call family members. Family members in Igbo language. Ndị Ezin'ụlọ n'asụsụigbo. Family means Ezin'ụlọ, and this comprises of both immediate and extended family. In a typical Igbo family, it's not just the father, mother, and children. Mba. It includes uncles, aunties, grandparents, and the rest of them. So in today's video, we'll learn what we call them in Igbo language. Ezin'ụlọ, they say, bụ ihe niile. Ezin'ụlọ bụ ihe niile. This means that family is everything. Ezin'ụlọ bụ ihe niile. Family is everything. Let's dive straight into the video. Nna. Father. Nna. Father. Nnam. My father. When you add M, that is m. My M means my father. Nne, mother. Nne, mother. Nnem, my mother. Nnem, my mother. Di, husband. Di, husband. Nwunye, wife. Di na nwunye, husband and wife. This is two people coming together to form a family. And when the children start coming in, they become mother and father. That is nne na nna. Nwa, child. Nwa, child. That is one child. As nwa. When there are now many, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and so on, you refer to them as ụmụ. Ụmụ, children. Ụmụ, children. Nwa nwoke is a son. Nwa nwoke, son. Nwa nwanyị, daughter. Nwa nwanyị, daughter. Ada, first daughter. Ada, first daughter. Olo, for some Igbos, some say osote ada, second daughter. Olo, second daughter, or you say osote ada, second daughter. Ọkpara, first son. Ọkpara, first son. Osote ọkpara, second son. Osote ọkpara, second son. Ọdụdụ nwa. Ọdụdụ nwa, last child. Ọdụdụ nwa, last child. nwanne 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 or nwanne nwanne. When you say nwanne means sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwannem, my sibling. Nwannem, my sibling. Ụmụnnem, my siblings. Ụmụnnem, my siblings. Nwannem nwanyị, my sister. Nwannem nwanyị, my sister. Nwannem nwoke, my brother. That is nwanne nwanyị or nwanne nwoke. But when you add that M, it becomes my brother. Nwannem nwoke, my sister. Nwannem nwanyị. Nna nna m or papa nnukwu m. Nna m or papa nnukwu m, my paternal grandfather. Nne nna m or mama nnukwu m, my paternal grandmother. My paternal grandmother. Nna nne m or nna m ochie, my maternal grandfather. Nne nne m or nne m ochie, my maternal grandmother. In Igbo land, nne m ochie or nna m ochie is not only used for your maternal parents. You use it for anyone that comes from your maternal side. Anyone that comes from your maternal village, you call that person maternal village, maternal kindred. You call that person nne m ochie, nna m ochie. Nwanne nne m nwoke, nwanne nne m nwoke, my mother's brother. Or nwanne nna m nwoke, my father's brother. Nwanne nna m nwoke. We refer to them as uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke or nwanne nna m nwoke, we call them they or they. They or they. This is not applicable in all Igbo lands, because in some places they just call nwanne nne m nwoke or nwanne nna m nwoke. That means that is your uncles. My uncles, they or they. Nwanne nne m nwanyị or nwanne nna m nwanyị, we call them da or dada. In my side, we just say nwanne nne m nwanyị or nwanne nna m nwanyị. But in some parts of Igbo land, they use dada. We have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also remember to hit the notification bell if you have not subscribed to this channel, so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I publish videos. Ndewo, ndebai.